I'm Brendan. I'm Amber.
And I'm Mr. Bradshaw. Today, Brendan and Amber are going to help me demonstrate another outside activity. We're going to do some interval training today. Need you to come out to a soccer field, and what you're going to do is have your class or your students line up on the end line of a soccer field. What we're going to do is have you run a lap around the soccer field starting every 2 minutes. So on the word go, students will run from the end line down around to the opposite end of the soccer field, behind the goal, and back around to complete a lap and stop on the end line where you started. Have the students start when you say go. The next interval will start at 2 minutes. The third interval will start at 4 minutes. The fourth interval will start at 6 minutes. And the fifth interval will start at 8 minutes. We'd like to have everybody try to make it through all 5 intervals. If for some reason a student is not ready to start at the next interval, then they would skip that interval and join in on the following one. Okay guys, you ready to demonstrate?
Yes.
Alright, let's come on over to the end line, which we've got marked here between the 2 cones. On your mark, get set, go. And there they go. We got the timer running. They started at 0. They're going to run down around the opposite goal and back for a lap. If it takes them a minute to complete the lap, they're going to have a minute rest. If it takes them a minute and a half to complete the lap, they're going to get 30 seconds rest. The faster you complete your lap, the more rest you're going to get, but the more energy it takes.
Come on, Brendy. Come on, Amber.
Alright guys, here they come completing their first lap. So they're going to come back to the end line where they started. And they're going to rest. It took Brendan 46 seconds and it took Amber about 50 seconds. So they're both going to get just a little bit over a minute of rest. They're going to start their next one when we get to 2 minutes. That's going to be the second interval. Again, we're trying to get you to do all 5 of these, starting at 0, 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, and 8 minutes. Guys, you have another 50 seconds of rest before you're starting your second one.
Brendan, what test for the physical fitness test do you think this would help out?
Pacer.
Pacer.
And which else?
Maybe a little bit of mile.
Exactly. You guys have about 30 seconds rest left. How do you feel? Good?
Yep.
What do you guys recommend? Sprinting as fast as you can or a medium even pace?
A medium, even pace.
Okay, you got 15 seconds. This is going to get harder the farther into the exercise you go. I'll count you down. You've got 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Number 2 is starting at 2 minutes. Okay, we're going to end there. Remember to stay fit. If you have any questions, you can have your teacher give us a call. But I want to thank Brendan and Amber for demonstrating our interval training for today.